What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. Destiny, Ivani, Shay, Queen, Ivani, D, Destiny, TikTok Police, Annie. A bunch of things me have to share with you, my people. So, I'm gonna do the intro too long. We're gonna just get in it right now.
Time, bro.
Like, why the storytelling? Why the makeup? You don't know my business, so you try
Always
to
follow the
assume my son live in a ghetto, my son a gunman, this, that. Like, what the fuck, bro? The blood of Jesus against you. Alright, this girl, what they on the live I give Ivan information. This girl have a son. Come show you. She have a son at Jamaica and she would have never own him. Never, ever, ever, ever. Make her show you. She have a son and she would have never, ever, ever own him. It's like, where she ate the little boy. I mean, I say, but your belly pain. The girl would have never owned the little boy, none at all. More than one person knows she have one son. And she would have never owned the little boy, none at all, deal. And she would have never come on internet. She not own him, but I'm going to show you them. You're so worried about my kids. The other day, me show you say, them people are really a test me and me just have to laugh. The other day, me get one voice note, you know. She had try look somebody for come cross the border with her daughter, you know. Because her daughter, they are Jamaica, one whole heap of things are reach her down there, you know. So she had try look somebody for come cross the border with the daughter and the person send me the voice note. And I could have come for my live and play it because me not really want me can't bother with she because go back and forth with she come like nothing. See them here. See his little boy here and see she here. Big, him big like my son and should have never own him. Never.
Oh, Jesus.
Should have never owned the little boy. Should have never owned the little boy, none at all. Should have never owned him. See them there? Should not own him.
So much she not own him.
Because him, alright. You know them father that will fight for them pitney and take with them pitney from them young?
Okay,
Yeah, the little boy, the father take the baby from her because she used to sell her crutches and go about the place. She travel everywhere and sell out her whole. Say father take a little boy from her, from him young. So from that, she go friend, she not business about little boy. She not care none at all. No matter how you come, she not business. So she tell people that she have one pitney and is her daughter. She have a son. And should have never owned him. Never own him, never. Even TikTok liar question her about this and she not own him. No anybody will tell her about that, she not own him none at all. That little girl here is a wicked. And you sit down and like, you don't know him eat, you don't know him sleep. You have a little daughter Jamaica right now. A pure things are reach her. And people are send me things with her and I just say, you know I want baby. Low it.
Yeah.
Because you send me some things about her pitney and I say, you know I love it.
Yeah, and I post nothing about it.
Because guess what? She come now and tell people say, I tell Ivan say my son a gunman. And I could have come here come dash out the whole of your daughter business right here. So. But guess what? Me get a warning this morning and everybody just talk to me and tell me, say, you just low you. Make you just go and do what you do. Make you have your fun. Make you tell your lies them. Who want believe. Who no want believe, just no believe. I just saw it.
Just not saying about the pitney then.
Yeah, me don't know what she get out of lying. Like, why you need for lie? Me don't know, everybody see me on level, me I talk to my little boy, him call me. My little boy I go to school. What kind of gunman you paint picture for my little boy? Me I tell you some sick that some sick
people. That's why it's a good thing
to
say don't post your kids because if you post them now, people that know your pitney. So it's a good thing say don't post your kids.
Nobody know anything about me kids them. Nobody know nothing. Wanna see no sister, no auntie, no father come over here and bring me down, but me pity them and no, bro. Wanna just try to assume and make up a story about my kids them. What the fuck?
We almost
me don't make them go and assume. Because you tell Ivani. I'm gonna say something to you.
Come on, I'm gonna run to. Are they with
yeah.
Come in, yeah.
Where you go?
Kind of funny too, you know. No, me not gonna wear. Me I
Oh.
tell Zisa for come. Cause me I
Oh.
say, you know
Man,
Vito.
me
Cause
don't
she
know.
funny.
Mama tell you
You
something,
gonna know
cause
her.
Ivan, me realize you're interested in my life because you've been asking a lot of questions. But let me just send out something to you. You see, your paperwork and my paperwork is two different things. I came here with a landing stamp. I did not take no boat. I never take the ship, nor the banana boat because I realize you're interested about my paperwork. The type of permit I have is my daughter give it to me. My daughter was born here, she born with passport. Ivani, listen, my daughter born with passport. The one when me give away me sell, yeah. She born with passport, European passport, because I realize you're interested about my documents. So I'm going to tell you my business. She born with passport. Before she born, she have it. That for sure, yeah, she born with it. Yeah, so we say girl born with passport and so. You see, my documents and your documents is totally two different things. You see the asylum business? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. You cannot leave America to go back to Jamaica, but I can. I have two different papers. I have a F-card plus. Please to make a Google and Google that. Just Google Belgium F-card plus and ask them. I can go anywhere. I still have my Jamaican passport right now with me. I never seek asylum, mama. So like how you question about me asylum, me not seek no asylum. Me come here with landing stamp in my book. Me come through Brussels airport right this. Yeah? You seek asylum, me and you is not the same. Destiny seek asylum, me and none of the same category. Don't play with me. Because since you want something interested about my documents, I'm going to tell you. Me have a F-card plus. Google Belgium F-card plus. Me have rights for anything in Europe. I can leave and come back. No immigration now look for me. I don't go to no immigration office not every Monday or not every Tuesday or not every month. I don't have none of that. You understand? So since you want to know about my documents, let me tell you. I got a permit. It said F-card plus and the type of permit at the top, family of the EU, boo. Okay? Yes. That's my documents, darling.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section because here we go on my people. You see in a garrison, it not hard, you know, and it not impossible. It actually easy for them youth to turn to the guns. You see me I say? Because them are going to see influence in the community and man are going to force them in a badness enough for the time. Say, yo, we are war. And if you're not war with us, that means you're against us. So eventually them have to join in. And on a level with people, like grandparents can't really, there is so much grandparents can do. Because them done all and something. You know what I mean? So, boy, I mean, I tell them, I hope say the youth know in no badness still, but it's not impossible. Make me know what you think.
How would
Family
that be?
of the
EU.
EU. And family of the EU mean my daughter is a European citizen. That is why it said family of the EU. Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah. I since you're so interested about my documents, me have to tell you. Me know the
All
secret.
y'all. Come on for my live, you hear? See you look the farm.
Cause I love sit down and have topic about girl. And when girl call on a name, when look at infectious crew, the whole on run out like on a blood clot minions.
Why? I can't laugh. It's just right out.
Yeah, when them call it,
Give
when
the people them your energy.
no, me not give them energy, me just a say, them for call your name and when you reply
How you
back,
not for call for them name? You call
right,
anybody
the
name you feel like call back them name.
infectious crew run out and behave like say, yeah, and you infected them.
No, sir. Can't do this. It's just right out right there. So. Guys with the car job, some on the screen, you're not tired for course. Hey girl, you're not tired for listen. No BS, we not arguing. You're not tired for listen. If you're tired
But
for listen, just go
this
fix somebody else's life, babes. True. Queenie come. Like Queenie reach. Guys, on the top on the screen, man, that's not so much on there. So, man, me just pop off a wig on there, lie down in it. Me tired, there's a man here to trot. This must draining. We don't have time for enjoy life. Send, drop a money now, girl. If you're not drop my money, oh, we're gonna enjoy life. That's what we broke. Kensha, thank you. Drop something now. Drop some on the screen, girl. Drop some on the screen. Yeah, bada.
What's your star sign? Me's a Cancer.
Kensha, big up yourself, good girl. Because I snipe, guys, so don't make sure you take back the little one streak, watch ya. Keisha, thank you. Come, somebody else snipe up, watch ya. Watch his blood clot. Undefeated, I love you too, baby. I want Zena, I want Keisha, and I want Undefeated, and I want everybody. That don't make no sense.
Yeah, man, put your hand over.
No, this will check one.
Is he there? I want to share him.
No.
Lumpia. Egg roll.
My one do properly.
Oh.
If do.
Oh, my manners. Good evening.
Good evening.
Wait there. I can't ask. Sorry. I can't ask one. I can't go back on my backstory.
Thank you, Peeps.
No, I'm not like sleep, you know. I can't ask one question.
What
Why no?
But this one screen record, and I just want to go back on a backstory. Like, I just see, people them say I can't go back on a backstory. Good night, everyone. People them say. So,
I'm glad.
I just want to ask, I just need to see your face, because it's on a regular set. Come now, ask you a question. Just 2 minutes for a backstory. Because I was sleeping. But I saw the screen record this morning when she wasn't around. So quickly, the girl named Kiki. We can just ask a few questions, chat. Just to look at something, Diggy. We can ask it down.
Bad man, yeah, wait for you.
The girl named Kiki. Manoir through Shay. I'm going to tell you now how Manoir. Because Shay seemed to forget. But because I am her memory box.
Yeah, you remember. Talk, no?
I remember everything for her. Because me are memory box. Yes. And our memory card and everything. So the person named Kiki, that girl. This is transgender she. So she said, transgender, lesbian, story. Is this the Kiki where was a fan of this transgender Shay? Was that the Kiki where you usually run to add Shay on her live when she did not go through our what you call it now?
You look like Shay start member.
So my people, let me know what you think in the comment. Me not talk too long. And one thing me know them are TikTok people here. Them have to kick off, no matter how you see them a friend, them have to kick off. But Skydiamond and Shay, them been at it. You know what I mean? So this is not new. So let me know what you think.
Bereavement. Because me I wonder who they dead. When should I go through a time of bereavement?
How you remember that?
Wait no. Cause your memory, remember me your memory box. When should I go through a time of bereavement? Cause me I wonder who they dead. This is the same Shay that you had when the whole internet come. She have a child chat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When the whole internet come down for your pitney and your man where another man take away from you or something like that. This is the same transgender Shay where you had. This is the same transgender Shay. Kiki, bring back your memory.
How you remember that?
Where gave you a lot of words of encouragement. This is the same transgender Shay will tell you, hold up your head, mama. Be strong. You remember the words that transgender Shay tell you?
This is Shay a transgender?
Last in the screen recording that I saw.
Oh,
That's what she said.
you're a
This
Viking
is the
thing.
same share where when you run her down for other. This is the same share where you say when the people them in your chat say, "On a favor, you're the excited." This is the same transgender share where you say pretty girl. You don't call her share. A pure pretty girl, sexy girl. This is the same transgender share. So what me not understand? She not changed. She not gone nowhere. It's the same transgender me I look at right. I know the same transgender chat.
Mm-hmm.
I the same shade. A pretty girl you call her. When people them say on the favor, you're
Guys, we know say
excited.
Kiki is not good. We know her. And we know
You
say
don't
Kiki that look
remember.
about.
But me there for remind her. Is that the same Kiki? Well, when you there go through your time of bereavement because someone died for you, I don't know who they did. But at the same time, Kiki, although she's a transgender, I don't think that she take your man. It's another man them say, I don't think it's she. I don't think that she. Oh, Jesus. And the people them, just she on the live last night, the people them just start just Lego her file in a she and just like that.
Them tell me about them show me one picture of an old man with Kiki there with the blood clot.
But what about the man will come down from foreign? I not go call the boy.
I not go call him name, yeah.
Where him clothes and wig, where she fuck him
her.
for, and give her back her bus safe to go back to country.
Here we are. Hey guys, what?
Come here, lady. She have one ex-friend named Kayla.
Mm-hmm.
Why? She
people them just last night, people them just drop your file in that transgender shit and
them bust it the me nah lie, them bust it for her.
Eh?
Them bust it.
Jesus Christ have mercy.
Them bust it.
But it's a Kiki chat all our business on live. Kiki not a care in the world.
So the
No, that was a Kiki mad.
Because you're a smart girl, let me ask you a question. If it is that you're in a one house where you don't have to curse nobody, you don't have to create no scene or charade then, let I use that word.
Mm-hmm. Elite, move down, pussy.
When mountain come, when paid rent time come, you don't have to create no excitement and no charade and no good time nobody for cost to pay your bills. If you can just pay your rent, buy what you want, buy the way you want to, isn't it that better? Would you say that I am jealous of a person that have to create a lot of animosity to pay their rent, to feed their child because them talk
Yes,
about
that Chantel.
So how she jealous now? And a TikTok food is TikTok no pure.
Who say she jealous? What do you mean? Who say she jealous?
See the screen again.
Me not watch.
So when Kiki did that talk, you were on the screen. You never hear nothing what she said.
No,
Me mute the girl after me and him did a cuss first.
Okay.
And then he said mute me, somebody mute back the girl.
Okay. So all of what me hear she say about jealousy and story. Because me know say we don't have to fumble to do what we want to do. So
Give you the whole time.
And we don't have to create any animosity with anyone. She ain't have to
Purpose child.
tell no lie. She ain't have to put sure what them say there wherever in front of a screen every day to get anything. No. She not have to put her gunman 14-year-old. You guys are so absurd. I don't understand. This little boy, if you know him, he's so sweet. Him hardly talk. Him talk if him know you.
D, my ear is like here now.
Me I tell you.
Yeah,
So,
bad match.
when you talk about manageable,
bad.
D,
Good boy.
the other day, when we have a video call with him, and him make everybody meet him mother, when him there with him grandmother, and
Him care me, him care me.
be a big woman and big man. Him
Him care me got torn and
No, little funny.
community. And a
Yeah.
big woman. So me I say, where you
Big
know
woman,
big
you
woman
know.
you from?
I'm big,
Even
pure
mommy,
big people.
mommy, I'm a friend there. Me say friend with them a big woman yeah.
I see friend them, they don't want a little friend, cause a little friend them a problem. Make it turn.
Pure big
Here
people.
big people. Him tell me and show me one big woman. Mommy see me little friend yeah. Me say, little friend a big woman this, not a little friend this. This is a big woman. You know, the woman said me say, have a nice little boy and
He's so
full of
loved.
manners.
And that me just gonna tell you, say, you see big
Yeah,
people gravitate to kids are because they loving and nice and stuff.
Yeah.
he's so loving and nice.
Yeah.
So when I work up yourself, when them say fuckery, because me don't understand.
Queenie, before you come, Mr. to Shay, say, Shay, don't cuss them. You see why? Because it's when you cuss them, you have to go get information about your kids and that you don't want. So make the media run it what it wants to just leave it where it's at. You know where you know. Because the minute you cuss them and try to prove them wrong in a Queenie, you go give them the information where they actually want about your kids. You know? Right, so it's like just loud
She
that.
cannot go on a plane, she cannot travel, she cannot do nothing at all. Nothing at all she cannot do. If I saw her
Just
so.
loud that alone, bro.
Thank God for the persons who can travel.
Yep.
I'm very interested in my papers.
Then that me I say
She
thank
asked her
God
about
for
my
the
papers.
persons who can travel state to state.
Yeah, so
Thank
she's
God.
so interested in my papers. Like, I'm here, you fuck and get sure. Me never fuck you and get sure. Why you so interested in my papers and now you breed me?
Just
You not give me no papers. Why your problem?
Everything is on the internet. If you can read, that is if, then feel free.
Uno fuck and breed for pitney save uno in a foreign. Me never fuck and breed for pitney save me in a foreign.
Black, that's mad, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Never fuck and breed for pitney save me in a foreign. But fuck and
Eddie Murphy.
by now. If
Eddie
they
Murphy
realize.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. People, Ivani, I just Ivani, man. I just that me say. You see me, I say, and me not put nothing past Ivani. You see me? And whatever she do is okay with me because me know say most people come to accept her for who she is and know say she that and I just saw it go. You know what I mean? I run TikTok certain way in her social media as a female, you know. She had the top person on social media just like World Dog. You see me I say? She up there with him. You see me? So whatever she do forget she stay relevant and what? Well, we just have to learn to accept it. Let me know what you think.
Not what I'm saying. A two terrible personality say no. She's a Cancer and I am a Gemini, a male Gemini. She's almost a Gemini, so we're so similar. So
Me a black you, come in that your blood clot teeth, and you look like sitting with somebody shit out.
So me a black devil. Sometimes I don't know. You know, so the devil can't touch you know. But you don't have to look you know.
Wait there. Ivan, I miss out something else. I forgot to tell you that part, yeah. You see, when my daughter in the homes as well, you say, you know, so my paper still carry renew without her. But yeah. I still go get it same way. I still go get my passport same way. But just have to wait 2 more years and then I ask my passport, mama. So I still not have no problem. I just don't want to tell you. I forgot to tell you that part. They say, all wait, she at the homes. As where you want blood clot. Green say, I still can't ask my passport and my paper still go renew without her. Cute.
No problem, sweetheart. I have.
You know the?
Where's it?
The devil can't touch you, you know. But you don't have to look.
It's true.
Why is it that the devil always touch them when they come on to Shay and them have to look? Them always blood clot look.
No, but hey, me tell you say the screen card not done, you know, it long you fuck. I want whole conversation me alone on the live.
I don't know talk about.
Yes. I mean alone them a talk about on the live last night.
You say Adar, who say Adar?
Conversation and share alone at the topic. Share and her pity them alone at the topic. Vani asks the question them and she answer. Want me know over?
As a sister,
yeah,
your auntie.
Cause Sky I'm a sister, my auntie, I'm a blood clot, grandfather, I'm a uncle. She know my business more than blood clot me. Me never know say somebody look about my passport for me. Hours and night, me don't know if you don't see it. Them they me
so somebody can look about people's passport. You don't have to look by your own passport unless you're a minor.
No, exactly. Barney asks the question and the Grinch answer. Like me,
your mother answer.
One time I see Smaddy in her comments, can I get the screen record with the comments? Smaddy in her comments I say, then me never know you see a shame, mama.
Yeah. That's why I say your mother answer.
Do we Barney ask the questions? Like Barney asks Grinch about my life and Grinch give every answer. Oh, her daughter in her one homes and her son a gunman him live in a one ghetto at Jamaica. So Barney said, what kind of papers she have? Oh, the papers me I get panda one day because Tika me I get panda one day because the youth when deal with her passport him look about her passport and him make sure me the woman I give Barney details.
Wait.
Passport.
Girl, you keep us a she. Who is the she where you talk about?
Oh.
Yeah, me that go block that liquor. That girl in the comment section.
Yeah. So then the next little ugly one, and she give all the answer. Mumsel, thank you, mama. Everybody, thank you. Bobby,
big up, Annie.
she give the answer to Vani, because Vani asks her questions and she react to the answer them. And then Vani want to tell me, say, here for the next screen, Vani I go say, you no match me.
I'm not to match you.
Alright, fuck your mother come off of this bumbo blood clot, man. What the fuck you keep us a she? Who the fuck is she? You come like me for the pussy rascal. I'm doing no man.
The poor man match her. As you said, the fourth one in the dildo.
Thank you.
I'm black on the corner of the thing.
Here, Vani no upon the live. Oh, the girl, the boot she, me not like she, you know. But she not like you neither.
I mean, I like her first.
She not match she. She not match she. So the 4 man them plus your dildo match you?
No, the fourth one of the dildo as well they say.
Eh? So the most man them when you taking a blood clot 1 year time or a couple months, they match you?
Me no match her.
But yeah.
Relationship advice. She can give nobody relationship advice. When we see them company into the come blood clot, put them relationship here, and I say man fi treat them good and man no know for open my door.
Me open my door, should have.
Then you look lady like for man open my door give you. Man for just open my door and let you in so.
Yes, not
You know that girl? I want the blood clot.
You're not that girl.
You're not that girl. You want cuss man for open my car door and make you go. You're not that girl.
Mighty God, she.
You can't go plaster your pussy over. What is something name?
Olifants.
Yeah, and expect say people want to open my door for you. She's not
that girl. Somebody know what she a cuss the man at all, but first of all, D, when you take a boy, you take a boy, though.
Eh?
Well, we are take man. Some will take boy, some will take man.
Yeah, but me not company. Me that can't tell everybody say my man fuck Batty and me know say my Batty man I go back to that
Thank you. You pick up a little boy. Me see one screen record you on live. I teach a boy how to cook.
A pure nerd. A pure handicap.
Do man pick up one boy, I want boy open my door and tell her forgot lock my car door for her. Put out the man again, dash bleach pan him clothes like girl go.
Want attention.
You can't come tell nobody who fit who from who not fit who.
A pure carpenter and painter and artist.
You think me and Queenie can't have nothing to come?
Alright, my people. So, we could just watch some more and then move on to the next.
Say, if me dey on the live and me and Queenie feel like we're gonna argue, me look up this blood clot here. Cause I hear my mouth and me go mute. Yeah, I'm gonna come out of the camera. I want to come back, me different. But me never in the camera argue with her and I never say about blood clot she and Queenie argue. No, bro.
Never that. So do you remember when the nerd one, when the retarded one run the far Miami on the surgery board and him go paint about it, him go do a art on him wall about it. Suck your like that. Me not for much, but me treat her
right.
Good. Me treat her damn good. And me not run him anywhere she go.
The woman they on the surgery board and the boy wait until the woman go shut her island.
Shut her blood
clot.
And run the far and go paint about it.
The boy, they tell me now. What me no, man, I wicked for sure.
But But
the
I
man
wicked for
take him
two,
a
man.
clad $700 and wait until the woman go shut island and run left her on the surgery
God.
board.
But don't
do
forget,
it.
man, him paint about it.
And him go him yard go paint.
Yeah, him paint about it. Him paint your fuck. Yeah. Me no,
You the woman on TikTok. Me want back my $700. I want back my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Me want it back. Man left you on Shut Island.
But wait now. Come here, come
And
here.
then you go like say man want to know. Man want to know?
Come here, little girl.
As what Jaden say, man eat all of we like dog. Man eat you like dog.
That's the last time we really just talk myself.
But
Me no have no man, me no take man. But man eat uno like dog. Man eat all of uno like dog.
But D, you know what's funny? You know what is funny? Where she always say who fit who from who. The four man them where fit she, don't make one. You see the treatment where she get, or that you wish you could have get. Because guess what, me not fi fit her, but I know how to treat a lady.
Right.
You see all of what you beg for? Because she not fi ask it me, miss her. All what, me went in the room, and me I text her and say, baby, me love you.
Yeah, I'm in the room. I'm sit down in the couch right there, and Queenie and text me. Me say the woman I'm mad, you know. Yeah.
Me go up the road and she not there. Me text her, me tell her something nice every single day. So I don't have
That's
to come
lovely.
tell her nothing nice. Me, she don't have to say open the door for me. She don't have to say open nothing. Nope. Me know if to treat her good. And guess what? She always can't have my card. She just say what you're using to pay, and I give her anyone.
And remember me as a thief.
Blood
She
clot.
just swipe.
Everything going on.
Right.
She just swipe. Give it back to me. I'm gonna put it in my
No,
wallet.
remember say sometimes I don't swipe, me use my teeth. Sometimes
Right.
I use my phone and swipe out and you know? Yeah.
But
And all the time I ask. My teeth
she
whenever
not go.
Yeah.
Go bleach out my clothes. She not go cuss me. Remember when she was going on the surgery board, I was the one that prayed for her before I shut.
Yeah, before I go shut that island.
I prayed for her. Yeah, I was the one that prayed for her.
Baby, I know if I didn't come here, I would have run and left me up and shut that
Come on.
island. I know her.
Hey, when she go and ear, when she go the ear just I'm there. If she go do her nails and toes, I'm there.
Yes!
And I'm sitting and waiting.
Right.
And the people them will say, oh my God, only my man these stays so.
Mighty God.
Everyone got the people them jealous.
Yeah, me and Queenie go, she follow me go do my nails and one woman attack to her. But me need my back the turn. And woman I say, oh, you're
But when people are talk bad about them, wanna sit down and listen to so when I have to just understand people are talk bad about them are talk bad about people. People
TikTok a beg. When me want ask the D say, if you never did, cause when me not understand is your page, alright, the money stuck in a PayPal. You come on TikTok. I don't care about it, you see, but I don't care. You come on TikTok, right? And we see a beg on TikTok. So when we want to know if, when you did have your page and you never have the money, you did come out here a beg? You did come out here a ball and say you have your two penny them and you suffer? Think about that, guys. A good blood clot question I'm ask. Think about that. Think about that. When you did have your page, and you did have your blood clot money, when you did have your page and you never have no money, you never did on TikTok, me no hear come out here ball and say you want money. So all of a sudden now cash up and PayPal up. The girl don't care about her TikTok page, her Insta, or not TikTok page. She don't care about her PayPal getting locked down. She care about the money that she wants. So what she did is, she said she sent $200 to her nether PayPal. You know what she do? She sent it $200 to her blood class PayPal. Cause she knows that that will lock down, you know. So she tried to do so much. She said, tell her she do. She sent it $200 to her PayPal and use her other PayPal and report that blood clot PayPal there. That's why lockdown love. Come out and come use and say, alright then she can use this for blood clot. Get money from TikTok. That is why she called me the night and she said, Destiny, come and see if you can come from my life. Come explain to Me and no blood clot duns. Me not just born. But tell us something. Me's a Capricorn. Me's a Capricorn. I 10 of January me born. You know why me sister? God. Me a come up there. Up on the up there embassy. Cause me a come up there now. Me say me ever tell you where Richard and she said on the phone last night. Only that never blood clot believe me a come up there. Me can't talk this me everything much about my friend. If me ever tell you Richard and she said last night on the phone. On the ball tears. Me go talk, you know, cause me can't hold nothing. Let me tell you, let me talk from now. Last night, Richard called me when I walk from my friend and come up. Richard said to me, Destiny, can you throw everything over the bridge, everything? Should I show Richard call? I swear by my life, I can swear the call. That I did my life and the mute. And the attack, and they said she was not blaming me. I said, me I blame. She said she vex.
People, one thing me know. You see, if them a TikToker you can tell me say, if you run, is either me fly or me turn back. Remember me tell you, me not do nothing at all with them say for do. Better me do the opposite. Or, you know what I mean, find some other alternative. Big one thing.
Because everything here upon the live, which is she first come and talk on fear live the night, right? Do you know what Richard said to me? Richard said, Destiny, you know, so she have her opinion. I said, me stop on for them. I said, me always love thee, pitting them. Me always love thee. Me always, when you go past criminal card and see me and thee, me defend thee right through. The girl in them fabulous so they are England. Me and not the girl are no friend. Me and the girl are friend and me class the girl for thee. Me defend thee right blood clot through. Me stand up on thee foot right through. Me go over live and beg much money in our time you fear. Me Destiny because of the art me have so me love a person. Me love a person, you know. But to see the moment you hurt me, me I tell you say that I love the man. That love there. You won't lie when you tell for me on TikTok. You won't lie when you tell for me on TikTok. Me say look why me in the shower. And me there in the mirror me a wipe off. And me a saying to myself so how many lies them I go tell for me on TikTok. How much lie? Because all when them want cancel me, them can't blood clot cancel me. I mean name Destiny across the board. No way no do people are gonna always watch blood clot me. Uno come with song, uno come with this, uno come with penny talk, uno come with message, uno can't blood clot cancel me. Shut up your mouth, let me talk my girl, cause you're not supposed to come over here saying car. You when you're pretty brown in, I pay a complaint, me I make your blood clot. I pay a complaint. I pay a blood clot complain me here. Them say they want people live a blood clot bring me down. So look here, now come over me live. Me not ready for talk when me a talk about where Richard say. I receive on the phone you wait or you go suck your mad and that me blood clots and come off of this blood clot. Because all of them is like hypocrite. Me don't want to know myself. I want 20-year-old people over here. So me at 26. You hear? So either you come off of this blood clot here or moderate if you there, lift up. The two of them show them way. And they not come back here. Them not come back here. Oh. Come off of this drunk. Me not with no nasty girl with the if I drop. I find me there now. You crying and still, I could argue with you. I find me blood clot. Me not with no dirty girl with the Jamaica suffer. Me not suffer. Cause me could suffer and spill six buy one page of blood clot $650. Last night, when Richard called me, I mean Richard attack. Richard say Destiny forget everything that happened yesterday. Need it on the other phone. Richard did attack. Richard go ask me Destiny. I swear for my life, I can't show the call. I can't show Richard take a call me back and me never answer. Me I share it in the call. Me choose an answer. You know what Richard said to me? Richard said to Destiny, the government watcher, I know that if you want me to go to the police station, I can go to the police station now. Let me tell you. Okay, you say government is watching me. You want me to go to the police station and ask them if they're watching me? I can walk there now. I can put on my slippers now and go into the police station and ask them if there are any watch against Destiny Thomas. If you want me to do it, I can do it surely right to sir. You understand me? Right to sir? With my phone, with my data, in the police, and to ask the police that check my ID, Destiny is wanted. I can do that now, darling. So let me know when you're ready, mama. Alright? Yeah. Back to me, I say. Richard called me. Richard go ask me say if me and him and them him can build a GoFunding for our pitney and finish what she had do. I said no. I said it won't happen. And I hung up the phone. You see me hang up the phone and call me back. Hold on. Call me back, me no answer. Me can't call Chevy and Samaya. Me moderate when you Chevy and Samaya. And ask Samaya, me call Samaya and Chevy same time. And three-way call, me can show the three-way call right now. And show this another lie me I tell. So what me I say is, she said she wasn't blaming me. Cause watch them know, anytime Destiny come out, come beg, them know them get it. You understand me? She said she was not blaming me. And them address me as a scammer. Them a try set me up. The official. You understand me? So what me I say is, why them want to go funding? That girl no come for ball about no PayPal. That girl come for ball about her money and done her house. Come for think about it, people. Why you want to go funding? Why you want to go funding? That means say, let me kiss something because I go for my friend. That means say your house, you want done. Because if, let me ask you something, if she did still have a page and me did still have my money, would she come out and say she want any money? Why you up on live and tell people say you want money? No. What you want money for? What do you want money for? Me not understand. Why you want money for? That is why me hear Ivan say. But me never believe, you know. But me believe now, me hear Ivan say. Now come for me problem, you know. Cause money you looking at girl. Let me tell you something. People. Let me say this. Me hear Shay, I want to say, oh, detailer say him have a lot of access to the TikTok, yeah. They not no access. Me click off everything, me take off everything, security, everything. Me have my number, me have my password, my email, me click off PayPal, every mama blood clot, thing, ID, everything, number, money bill, everything me take off of this blood clot, yeah. Every security, everything gone over to me. Remember say me is a smart blood clot. Every single thing. Last night when me hear she said that. When me hear she said that everything. Cause at the end of the day, all you come take back this blood clot bitch. And me send my 700 and blood clot $50 to you. Me all time me make money for people every day. Me mother, me I go call me mother. Me mother a cuss, you know. Me mother a class, you know. Me say my sister Stacy a class, you know. Sister when Destiny spend money, Destiny spend money like a water. Let me call my mother. Me never walk and thief nobody money out here yet. Me beg for people and support people. Always I help people. Mommy? Yeah? What you say? Oh, what's the name of that? Are the people me have to tell pan live and say me never thief yet, and me look how long me a sell a market and me never thief yet, never yet. In a Jamaica. It's 10,000 what I sitting. Not even lunch yet, I have a friend that will give you money. Yeah, Uncle Peter when me ask, that's why I text and I thought some things for the life. I can't never say, we can't swear for you. Oh, Tada. Can you imagine how the Esther hear this? What money we send for myself and give people, what have people where you help? I already look up Pitney, I don't mean, you was the uncle one, I mean, I feel it, don't for money, when you have people see the argument. If we get $10,000, what I go to when we look, you could have still on my yard and be $10,000, I come here and I take $5 out there. Oh, Todd, I'm bright. My family and friends, you know how much people me send money? You know how much of my friend, how much time me send money for you? Me tell us to give that somebody that it Claudia said the other day. So one thing. One pen. Oh, Todd, I'm bright. The people you help. Face. Patsy can't back that and say, I told them to know say me. Because she said she don't take the money now, but she never know. She don't know, me know. Me get her some, because one thing me always give it. The amount of people me help on social media. The amount of people. What are the man, Shanice? What you there? What you there? Where you there? Work? What you do? About to be there, so guys, I have to call you by us. Then me soon call you. Me soon call you back then. Yeah. Alright then, bye, mommy. Right, just I can to look away and say that. Anything else by your name except chief. They won't try that. Me soon call you back here, come in live. So come watch it. Yeah, come here. You hear me say? Man. Me soon call you back me live. So come look back, come watch it. Every day you watch my life. Alright, bye, mom.
Alright, my people. So, we are going to watch some more. And then we are going to move on to the next. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Bye. I'm here Destiny. Oh, Shanice want credit. My shot come here. Oh, it's a shock. Look here. Never yet. You want to tell me make people money out here. Yeah, I'm a mother 54. Young and nice. Look good. The amount of time I make money out here, I get 150,000 to give people and give people. Remember, you know what time, yeah? You know what time I Tatiana want help, I can't show me prove. You know what time I Tatiana want help to go away. And then Bill want GoFunding. And I put up the GoFunding in Switzerland. And I text my game mother, I tell my game mother say Tatiana is a transgender. $1,000 blood clot that my game mother send. $1,000 blood clot Switzerland money.
And the other rest of women they will come around TikTok police. I use TikTok police, use them for minding fat girl when him have a puppy in. Right? Me no want talk much. Wanna lend me the phone. And guys, me I beg you please listen. And I want to listen with understanding. Alright? I want to show you how that woman is a piece of shit. She's a witch. You as a big woman and you're going to come out and people are going to believe you, you know, because you're an elder type of woman, right? Me, I go play the voice note them, what she forward to me, what she sent to TikTok police. You understand me? I mean, I go show you the text them between she and TikTok police. You understand? Let me turn up that for you, turn up this. Man is a fucking wicked, is a little witch. I'm sorry the day me ever chat to you. You understand me? Because your sister me the years so me I struggle with me pitney them. Right? And boy you come out and I leave for my name. Every day this blood clot dirty looking boy. Right? This fucking looking Squidward looking boy. Come out for my name. But nobody now look into it and say you have views you try to use the woman them for. Right? The boy is a little sweetie truck. I'm gonna cuss and hype up. I just want to listen. So I'm gonna play the voice message between Auntie Elma and TikTok police. Right? She send them come give me. And me I go play them. Alright? And me I go play the one that where she sent to me too.
Okay, so here's what I want you to do. You know where
The phone locked down. And when him tell me about say him left the woman, and you the woman want, but on them play the something there for me. Turn on the back. Guys, me I just a beg on some taps, guys. Please me I beg on just double tap and scream. That's all me I ask and I want to listen.
Auntie.
Really locked down again, you know?
You can't be afraid.
Which one is the first one? Oh, so I put me on over it.
Don't be afraid. If you love and okay, so that's what I want you to.
See that? I'm put me on over it, you know. I'm gonna put my over it. See that? How for your phone so full? Stop do that. What me I do wrong? No, sir, for your phone don't like me at all. Your phone have a problem with me?
Please, promise me you can do that.
Me can't wait calling. Yeah, me tell you say me have technical difficulty right now. Yeah, me have some technical difficulty right now. No man, take all this off for your phone and make me look bad.
Okay. So
alright. Yeah, you can take care.
Okay, so
you can take care of?
What you do?
No man, take care of it. It a move bad.
So
it a move bad. Guys, me I beg on a double tap chat.
You know
So meanwhile, Auntie Elma convinced me, I tell me say TikTok police want me. Auntie Elma, I convince the other woman, I tell the woman the same thing. Right? So it's a woman where they behind everything and she carry the message back and forward. When Auntie Elma tell me say TikTok give up, TikTok police give up all of that the money there for me. TikTok police give up everything, all the bank here, TikTok police give up for me. You get what me I say? Auntie Elma look at me and tell me say, are you him want? Annie, he can't survive without you. You understand? That same look all woman the inner the migla, every little thing. If TikTok, look here, if Auntie Elma not give him something to eat, he can't survive. Me I tell her that. Right? So I want to listen for yourself. Fucking bright and feisty like me convinced for come down here. So how the fuck me I go ask you for buy my son a shoes? Like literally. How me I go ask you for buy my son a shoes and you can't feed your fucking self at the end of the day? Can you feed your fucking self? Right now, a man say you have a ringworm in your back. Right? How me for make you have ringworm in your back? None more than you're nasty. You're not like beard. You left down here about a month ago. You see me? How the fuck you gonna catch nasty ringworm? And you gonna tell people like me give you some type of... Look here. You see when you're sick? And you go fuck dirty crutches? Eh? Or anything I pull you down make you look so mash up? Don't blame me. Right? And what you do, and the wickedness what you do, and everything I come back round upon you. Once you never do what you do right, and you're ungrateful, it'll go beat you. You understand? So no blame me and tell people say me make you catch no type of thing, because anything you have in your back are nasty, you're nasty because you don't beard. First of all, you don't like beard. You come out and you tell people all these things, you not like beard. I beg me if I beg you for beard when you come with me there. Anything you catch it up at your yard. All of the nastiness where you have in your house. Remember say you have to buy water and you hardly buy water. So when you go tell people say me make you catch any little thing, me look sick? Me look sick? Or you look so? And you is a young motherfucking boy. You young. So one thing you make you look suck out and dry out and look like you have some type of disease. And you go blame me for it. From me and this man left, me move on, me love him, me not call him name. And if my people them willing for talk the truth, only can talk the truth when me over here, so me not live on that man name. So when time you go talk, say me ask you for buy my son shoes. What money you have? What money you have so me can ask you for buy my son a shoes? You is a little piece of shit. And every woman on social media are gonna know about you and Auntie Elma.
Alright, my people, me I go ask you know this scene. I feel like say anything Annie get from TikTok police, she fi take it by them a time you know. Because them go to get them they was together, right? Break up. And bring her down in the wickedest way. I think them go back together again. Break up. Bring down go on again. And then she come back now and go there with him again. Anything she gets, she will take it because you are going. So that person show you who they are, best believe them. And that person, them say, what them say? Once bitten, twice shy. If you fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. You see me I say? Make me know what you think.
Auntie Elma my target, you know. I know you, Auntie Elma, she are the one behind all of this. Auntie Elma is the person behind all of this, that 70-odd wicked witch. You is a witch. Because you know where Kevin did not come down, you come do to me. You know everything. A three with him did have. 3 women. 3 women and the 2 women from overseas left. And him run come back to me. And you know that. And you convince me as a big woman, you convince me and tell me say, Kevin left the woman just for me. You tell me say Kevin give up all of the money, everything. You tell me say Kevin give up. You understand me? I said just to come much part me there. Right? So the end of the day, you didn't know what going. What am to your phone? I want to run that voice note here. Cause you come and you chat up your mouth and me have more message where me can put out there as a old woman. You're wicked.
You know where she live? I need you to go to OG.
Alright, let me play the first one.
What you do? You know where she... Okay, so... That's what I want you to do. You know where she live? I need you to go to OG. Tomorrow. Right? Please, promise me you can do that. You cannot be afraid. If you love Annie, you have to man up. If you believe in God, you cannot be afraid. I want you, promise me, that you go down and spend the weekend with Annie, even if you come back on Monday. Okay? I asked her if you come, if she will accept you. She said yes. Make that step. You guys supposed to be with each other. Forget about the social media shit. You guys just need to understand each other. It seems like Annie is very jealous. But you have to give her more security. You see? You have to make her feel more secure as a woman because she loves you. And you and Annie can go places, Kevin. You all could move mountain. You could help her build up her place and she could help you build up your place. Just stand with her, help her to get her place together. That's what she wants. Do that, Kevin, and she will roll with you. If you believe in God, ain't nobody gonna. Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. God got you. Get one of your friends, or if you could get a taxi bus, promise me you go there and spend the weekend with Annie. Man up.
Man up.
Man up. Even if you go there 3 days, you all can rotate. Go and come because you know she have the kids. Make that step for Auntie. Please.
Yes, Auntie.
Put them to shame. You all have a party coming up. She have a match coming up. I'm planning to save that I could throw a lion. I want you to be a part of it, Kevin. Talk to me. I need you to go to Annie this weekend. I don't and nothing but you're afraid. You say, of course, she's your woman, so you got to stand up with your woman.
Yep.
And once she see that, trust me, Annie will move back with you. Make that step. Let me know what you think.
Alright, so that Auntie Elma talked to him, right? That Auntie Elma talked to him. I want to know with me and listen, you know. Me I go show you some text message betwixt him and Auntie Elma. Betwixt him and Auntie Elma. Me show you say Auntie Elma the strength of the whole of this. Now make her run this voice note. I want to know listen good how that woman here convincing.
Annie, all when you wasn't speaking to me, I'm talking to Kevin. You hear me? I put him in check.
She put him in check.
How are you?
She put him in check.
Oh, I forgot where I'm going. Sorry. I'm going to get my daughter some water. She's bringing me some food. I will talk to him more. But I already told, it's no pranking in it, Annie.
No.
And what you gonna? Sorry. I'm gonna get my daughter some water. She's bringing me some food. I will talk to him more. But I already.
Like you want me eat your phone. Me eat your phone. God no. Me eat your phone. Me a press you and now go off.
Told It's pranking it, Annie. You have a big platform. What you gonna do? Annie, all when you wasn't speaking to me, I'm talking to Kevin. You hear me? I put him in check.
She put him in check.
Hi, how are you? Oh, I forgot where I'm going. Sorry.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section because, boy, this is interesting, my people. If you say the least. You know what I mean? Because we are going to hear TikTok police side now. So we are going to listen to Annie some more and then we are going to go over TikTok police.
I'm going to get my daughter some water. She's bringing me some food. I will talk to him more. But I already told, it's no pranking in it, Annie.
No prank.
And you have a big platform. What you're going to do, you're going to use it to your ability. You understand? And do not let them run your life. No child, no picnic, nobody. You understand? Because when they get big, you're going to be alone, and it's not good to be alone. I was looking at something with Jaden today, and all his fame, he's alone. Hi, how are you? Okay, where's your water? Okay, it's cold? You should. Yeah. It's not good to be alone. And I really wish that we could really talk. You see that thing with that girl? That was like a rebound thing. And it would not have worked. Hold on, let me get my card. I think I have to unlock it because somebody stole.
Them I said the woman is a rebound. That's the woman will build the house, you know. The woman is a rebound. Hold on, listen to the next one now.
I'm gonna come back and even with sorry, I had to unlock my card. Even with that lady, I knew it was just a rebound. And I even told Kevin, you know it's Annie you love. Okay? And honestly, because she thinks she had money, she had money, I could let you know that. Thank you, sir. And you would be surprised that, thank you. You would be surprised that it's just, last week I spoke to her. What's that? Yeah. Last week. I was just watching everything and again she realized I was close to Kevin like you do. And she went to Jamaica, but I know she was not the one for Kevin. Kevin wants you. And I think it's gonna work. And guess what? You know, when the two of you bond to each other, it won't be no prank. Remember, you're always supposed to plan your wedding after the party. But God did that separation that when you all get back together this time, it will be okay. I'm going to talk to him, of course. I kept talking to him like I told you. But I don't want to get... I'm trying to distance a little bit because I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt again. I was very hurt, and then
So guys, one let me press this A center. So this conversation was about, right? She's talking about the who never want the woman, the same woman will build up the OC, you know, right? And me want. Open this to me. Right? So Auntie Elma now convinced me and tell me say, and him no want the woman will build up the house. You get what me I say? And me want at the end of the day. John mining baby. Right? And at the same thing Kevin tell me. Kevin look at me and tell me say him left the woman will build up the house for him. Just because of me. Him say the woman give him a bank card. And him say him turn it down. You understand what me I say? And the lady block off the bank card from him.
You get me? So him can't use the bank card. And at the same thing, Auntie Elma here, so I tell me, right? No, see the message here, right? I'm supposed to put them on my phone. I'm supposed to have them on my phone. You see you see anything you reap, you're gonna sow. Remember me tell you that. Maybe try to be slow, but anything you reap, you're gonna sow. Me I tell you that. All of the wickedness what you do to the woman them is gonna show. Me I tell you that. See me here and Auntie Elma talk. That are the whole conversation between him and Auntie Elma, right? Yeah, me go off it because he's a wicked little old man. Do you want her back? She's my woman. That ain't said to Auntie Elma. She's my woman, right? I'm just afraid of her surrounding. You get me? Don't you so say? Our conversation between him and Auntie Elma, right? So him and Auntie Elma are the person who put all of this together. You get me? Right? Convince me and make me feel like say the woman will help build up the house and give him so much things. A nice woman will help you and give you so much things for build up your fucking house. You get me? Right? And the woman left you. You understand what I say? Auntie Elma tell me, say because him no want the woman. You understand me? Because I'm me in love with. And that Auntie Elma convinced me, I tell me, you know. Look on it. You're a wicked fucking woman. You're disgusting. Remember me tell you, you got to talk about VIP, a young boy you love. A young boy you want. Yeah, me get catching it. No problem. That is the text between both of them, back and forward. Mama say if I have the next one, because supposed to two of them. I say for the same one. Dirty drunk rat come act like say me trap you or beg you for come a Ochi or come a wash part me live, right? Me never beg you for come down a Christiana. Me sure me never beg you for come a Christiana. Me sure me never beg you for come a Christiana. You understand what me I say? Or you take your ass and come here. So when you come here say you don't have no money. No money at all you don't have. You're a wicked little fucker. Right? And the same Auntie Elma beg him open your phone for me. I'm open to reading, because I can't read. Remember me alone cannot read. Remember me alone. Yeah, what need for me? Right? So all along when me I tell you guys, and if you don't pick sense out of nonsense, a fool no fault and no for me. You understand me? Right? Let me see that one here. No. The advice note then me I go back pan. Me I go back pan the advice note. Or me go back pan the advice note. Right back on the voice note, me I go. I want to listen to it again. I want to listen to this again, beginning. Why you need a phone, young man?
Oh, wait, sorry. I had to unlock my card.
Go back again. Listen.
That lady? I knew it was just a rebound.
Rebound?
And I even told Kevin, you know it's Annie you love. Okay? And honestly, because she thinks
I'm an keep on a go by. No sir, this not help me. This not put out, this not play at all.
Yeah, you the wrong way.
This not go put up. Me, I know me, alright, just come play for me. Me not put up me dead one play the last voice note here. And keep on a go back in. Morning, beautiful. What's up?
I'd be surprised that it's just last
week. No, but for your phone, I feel like I like your phone. I like me no time. I say I put my finger over it, right? And that caused the problem.
Even with sorry, I had to unlock my card.
Oh,
even
so
with that lady.
So
I know it was just a rebound.
Oh.
And I even told Kevin, you know it's Annie you love. Okay? And Honestly, because she thinks she had money. She had money, I could let you know that. Thank you, sir.
Start it back over again. Start it back over again. I leave nobody no one ear. Listen again.
Sorry.
People TikTok police a general, man.
I had to unlock my car. Even with that lady, I knew it was just a rebound. And I even told Kevin, you know it's Annie you love. Okay? And honestly, because she thinks she had money, she had money, I could let you know that. Thank you, sir. And you would be surprised that, thank you. You would be surprised that it's just, last week I spoke to her. What's that? Yeah, last week. I was just watching everything, and again she realized I was close to Kevin like you do. And she went to Jamaica, but I know she was not the one for Kevin. Kevin wants you, and I think it's gonna work. And guess what? You know, when the two of you bond to each other, it won't be no prank. Remember, you always supposed to plan your wedding after the party. But God did that separation, that when you all get back together this time, it will be okay. I'm going to talk to him, of course. I kept talking to him like I told you. But I don't want to get... I'm trying to distance a little bit because I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt again. I was very hurt, and then I look at the situation. You still had me as your friend. Hi, darling. And if you didn't love me, you would have blocked me. And I know you see when I come on. But like I said, go for it. And you should have gone there last night. Kevin is not going to let nobody do you anything. Annie, you have this set of people that don't want to make you happy. And don't worry about the people going to say, oh, because you're making money. Money goes and money comes. Love is forever. Love could be for everything.
Put on your forehead, Annie. You come like blood clot clothespin. As a man squeeze head, you open up. Suck your mother, Annie. You come like blood clot clothespin, Annie. As a man squeeze head, you open up. Ready. Yeah. Hey, girl, go one side, man. If you call my mother name, you look a stinking mouth with one brush. Or if you call my mother name, you look a stinking mouth where you have your blood clot use. Where the something name again? Where the something name again? Where the something name? Where you put pan cut when you get cut? When you put pan cut, when you get it cut, you put it pan it, it goes and foam pan it. Peroxide. Stinking mouth, girl. A peroxide you use name out. If you call my mother name. Hey, girl, stop calling my mother name and go suck your mother. And put some peroxide name out, girl. At first, me see it. Somebody use peroxide in her mouth. And when I tell me down the street, I have my braces, she say, yo, you can't use and clean off your teeth in a ray. But me never me see that pan, so the fuck me forgot use that in my mouth. Her mouth think chat in a real life. She know if you call my mother name in her mouth, go suck her mother. My mother even like her. Mother like her, no? Me say if I'm lying, I'm dying. If you know my mother is a little silent man. Walk and silent and just go through and do her thing.
420.
Your mouth one drays, man. Drays. Your mouth one drays. Your Annie, your mouth one drays. Suck your mother. If you know no matter what auntie, fix up your old bumbuckler house. As me say, you don't want to know watch. When Auntie Elma go live, you look if you no see no cobweb, look if you no see no board where you can peep through. You call Auntie Elma name in your mouth. Hey, move and go here, man.
I remember that night.
That's the what. She want everybody, when she come out and chat the other day, She want everybody to support me, to stop support me. And Auntie Elma still support me beyond where she attacks it. And that she not like, and that a burn her. And it a always burn her. It a always burn her. Remember good. Your time done. Your time blood clot done. You see your blood clot milk ton milk powder, girl. You see your blood clot milk ton milk powder. Eh? You're all your time done. Go inside. But you want to come wake up boy and I tell the boy say you go buy a ring. Plan on married. Egg, go inside. I want that should do, you know. Wake me about I'm asleep. We need to do this. We need to plan something. I want to go on. Need to plan something. Go buy a ring, level toes la ring, and you see your own son come out and I tell the people them say, oh, when you hear your son come out, you're frightened. When you hear your son come out and say, oh, she buy the ring, you're frightened. Frightened till you cut all fat, stinking mouth, girl. So you're frightened when you hear your own son come out. Hey, may I tell you, that woman they wicked, so till all her own pitning can come out and tell you that she wicked. Our own pitney them can come out and tell you that she wicked. Uno, you see Uno? The thing with Uno is Uno like Faye. See when she disgrace herself like that. And that's why Uno cling to her and that's why Uno support her. Because Uno like she disgrace herself, bring down herself and all of them something there. That Uno like to see. But here we go and you see through me, you know say me no give a fuck who want support me. Me not go make no bumbuckler big woman where he is butter no bumbuckler to come go and let them want style me. Stinking mouth girl. Eh? If you want style me. You hear that? I want the day and normal out and for my birthday 2 catty flying for me. 2 catty flying for me. One flying rare and one flying rare. And one of them a teacher. One of them a teacher. And I show, and yo, me say I show, yo, Jano, you see me I eat, yo, I'm a fool, you know. I'm a fool, you know. I drunk them, I make, yo, Jano star. I make that drunk, they broke my link with the link, yo, Jano star. You don't even know where I go through, you know, brother. You don't know where I go, yo, I say, the lit, yo. You don't think I joke me, I make to bumbo, the woman would have give me anything. The woman would have give me anything.
Alright, my people, so that video you kind of unorganized, you know what I mean? You know, really set up properly, but me have to run through that one of my people, you see me? So, let me know what you think, we'll watch some more.
I had a big stinking mouth woman. Yo, Jano Star, are you stop link with the woman them, you know? You know, bad man. Yo, what you wanna do even? Oh no, I'm more while if me not talk them thing and no, kawa. Me hear she say it. Me hear she say it. Me hear she say it.
Put on the big jacks boy and put on back for her.
Pan her life say, oh.
You don't see them start calling him in the streets and them so man. I'm being all him man. Monday I go back to school, man. I'm get stuff this time.
Guys, thank you for the gift, them. So I don't know what else to say about that woman. The people them know everything, boy. What am I say? What am I say now? What am I really say now? Because the people them actually know everything, boy, you know, mama. Everything the people them know about you, you know. And that's why, alright, when everything kick off first, when the first thing kick off, you know. She do what she do and me do what I do. Everybody make mistake. You see me? I'ma tell myself, say, here I go. I don't know how the fuck I see over everything. Like, it's like where they at me before, me not see it. Bad or me not see it as no way. Me see forgiveness tonight. So I stay so baps now, forgive the local drunk. Forgive the local drunk. I let back the drunker in my local space. That I do, you know. Forgive the drunker and let back the drunker in my space, you know.
I'm blood class today.
Yeah. White ice, man.
I know, Jano.
Young. Can you buy the ice time, you see?
Yeah.
And they're on fridge.
Yeah.
Jano style. Woman come here. She woman come here, she's sick in her head. She's sick in her head. Uno come here, gonna just.
You watch the dog is I don't know, I died. No, my dog is
One thing me have to tell you, you see, she wicked. So you don't know what she capable of. And at the stuff them where if you can dead this, if you can dead where you're there, and I say them things about people, you're wicked. And that's why me I tell you such a wicked. And me just a try. God, alright. Me see in case, me see where I come here already. Me see where I come here already come defend myself towards certain things, and people stop support me. You see me? People stop support me. And I tell myself say, the next time something like this happen, I go be calm and I go make it happen like how it happened the last time. You understand? So God say I know. I've only a thing more that I want to say, you know. But you see, if I say that I'll underwrite so don't lose that for me. If I say, yo, best believe if I say what I want to say, so don't lose that for me. I say, yo, I can't believe so I did that like woman, so. You see me? That's why I hold out. I should go on, man. But I know everything what she say. I know everything what she say, I go make a slide. You see me? I know everything what she say, I go make slide. I have feelings too, you know. You see me? Authentic one, what one. I have feelings too, you know. So you see the moment she says something like she mention about my mother. You see me? I gotta get cheap. Auntie Elma, I gotta get cheap. Nobody don't know, like guys. You know, say Auntie Elma the realest person on my team right now. I'm not, but when I say they're on my team, I mean like the realest person way I know right now. To me, she not act and she not pretend. I'm the realest person to me that right now. And I'm a real auntie, but right now I take her as my real auntie. Real auntie.
Ice. Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
And that's not like. You know like how auntie support me.
Who you be like that?
You know like how auntie support me. One auntie, you know like how auntie support me. That you know like you want everybody to switch on your side. Suppose auntie switch and I support you.
Daddy, what daddy there?
Out of everything where you come, you bring me down and you said this, and you said that, and you said this. I'm wrong, you know. As a young youth, I should have follow up better years like you. I'm wrong. Man should have followed up butter years like a Jamaican Empress. What's up? I should have followed up you, my wrong. But me there and a whole heap of big woman there. We have youth in them 20s.
Me people, yo, TikTok police, the man disrespectful in my people. Yo, the man disrespectful on another level. And that's why I say anything Annie get. And if you take it because Annie knows I saw this man that stay and go back to him. And now I try toe-to-toe with this man and know saying can't toe-to-toe with this man and blouse and skirt. Make me know what I think, my people. Make watch some more.
Me in my 20s. Me in my late 20s. No leap a big woman there we have youth.
Chat, focus.
Yeah, just like Auntie Elma. Auntie Elma have youth. Auntie Elma have grand youth. So she feel her way. She feel her way to ya go on. Sexy chin wa go on. Yeah, so you go on like you feel mighty and feel like you can come down, you can come bring down anybody. Go bring down yourself for your whole house. As she over but you take where Annie dress for you. Take her with blood clot dress. Take her with dress. But me I show you this. Them don't have no clothes, you know. Remember say them don't have no clothes, Scorpio baby. So you go soon see the same dress where she say me take away. You soon she put it on and go somewhere because them don't have no clothes. No clothes them not have. You have blood clot clothes. Eh? You will live in a one clothes for all 3 days.
You want
sicking, man. You're sicking.
Wobbling? One like one?
Sick. Your lifestyle dirty like your house. Annie. Your lifestyle dirty like your house. Dirty and mucky like your house. Yeah man, fix up your lifestyle and fix up your house. You know what I know? Chat. Me telling you something, you know where she fi stop bro? Stop fuck the madman with in the yard. Tell her say me say that, tell her say fi stop fuck the madman with in the yard. The yard where she living at, them have a madman who live in there. In a old broke down house. Tell her fi stop fuck the madman when they live in the yard.
I'm like the man I'm watching. For reach. You know.
Tell her to stop fuck the madman over the yard. Them have a madman who live in the yard. Tell her to stop fuck the madman who live in her yard.
The man go drink in the child. The man not got in bed. I think the fuck up last night in the sun.